I have a Kubota ZG23 0-turn 54 inches mower. I have replaced the battery numerous times. Something is causing the battery to drain down, and when turning the ignition it will just click. However, when I put jumper cables or a battery charger on it, it cranks right up. May crank fine for a few weeks and then out of the blue it does it again. The mower doesn't have lights or anything that pulls power to my knowledge. What is it?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Engine has an alternator/stator coil under the flywheel. This and the voltage regulator are what charges the battery with it sometimes working. I think you have a bad voltage regulator and needs to be replaced.
Thank you, a task that a novice can do. Or should I take it to a shop?
Replacing the voltage regulator is just a matter of disconnecting the battery negative cable and then removing the regulator and installing a new one. Wire harness just plugs into it. And it is mounted on the outside of the engine. Number 200 in the link above is the regulator.
Sounds like I can do that. I'm at work now, but we'll give it a try this evening. At least locating the regulator and then getting another one. Thank you.
Here is regulator as used on a similar Deere model. Yours will look and mount like this. See picture below.
I will rate you. However, I have not had an opportunity to check the information out yet. Perhaps I can work on my mower tonight.
Okay, thanks. Always come back to same question, using link in your email.
Hello, I still have not had an opportunity to apply the information you provided me. However, based on what you are telling me and the fact that no one else has suggested this as the problem, I'm going to go ahead and rate you. Should it prove to be ineffective, I will contact you again.
Okay, thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.